send any document from mobile by email, I will tell you step by step. Okay, just open your Gmail and click on compose. Type the email you want to send for who. For example, I will send by send to myself. Okay, and we have to type a subject. For example, I will send bank statement. Okay, then we have to click on for document, we have to click on attach here. Just click here, then attach file, then see left side right corner top there is 3 dot line, click on there, then see gallery, we can choose from gallery, otherwise direct there is audio, image and the document. I will choose from document. My document is here. Then we can write about the email, about document here. To send, click here on the top, see arrow, just click here, email is sent. You can check 3 dot again, just click on send, see email is already sent.